Hi guys, I'm Casey.
And I'm Eamon.
On this channel,
we will be covering some of the benefits of nature's gems like sea moss, turmeric, and bladderwrack. That's just to name a few.
be on the lookout for amazing recipes, tips, and tricks incorporating these natural healing sources into your diet.
So like the old saying goes, each one teach one.
Let's go.
Come on. We're gonna do a mango mega greens. So over here we have 1 cup of frozen mangoes, a sliced banana, power greens, coconut water, sea moss, and a scoop of chia seeds. Now, with the combination of all of these, you're getting a full range of nutrition and vitamins. With just the sea moss alone, you're getting 90% of the essential minerals that the body needs to thrive. You're also getting loads of iron, magnesium, and potassium. The mangoes, for example. The mangoes are great because they help with healthy digestion, a healthy gut, clears the skin, and it also boosts the immune system.
So let's get started.
Alright, so here's the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Let's get started on this smoothie. So first we have 1 cup of fresh mangoes that have been frozen overnight. Here we also have 1 sliced banana. Over here we have 1 cup of power greens. Now this consists of spinach, chard, and kale. Next we have my favorite, sea moss. To water it down a little bit, we got 1 cup of coconut water. And if you like a little bit of extra fiber and a little nutty consistency, I would go with some nice chia seeds. Now let's turn this bad boy on and see what we got. Now that we've blended up all the sea moss with all these delicious fruits and greens, let's see how it tastes. Now this recipe is perfect for 2 people.
First impression.
First impressions.
Ready, go. You can definitely taste the bananas.
Very creamy. I think the seeds are a nice touch.
I feel like the coconut water, it balances out like all of the sour mango flavors.
Absolutely.
This would be a good smoothie for kids if they don't like vegetables, especially since there's like a mixture of the power greens.
Can you taste the sea moss?
No.
Especially for like a breakfast smoothie. This goes great. It's hella light. It's not hella overpowering to where you're like full or anything like that.
I'm happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Peace.